Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install mSpy on an Android phone. If you're a parent looking for a way to supervise your child's device usage, this guide will walk you through the basic setup process. With parental monitoring tools like mSpy, parents can keep an eye on important information such as device location, app activity, messages, and other features available in their subscription. Before using any monitoring software, make sure you have the legal right and proper permission to install it on the device. Let's get started. The first step is to visit the official mSpy website, create your account using a valid email address, choose the Android device you want to monitor, and select the subscription plan that best suits your needs. After completing your purchase, you'll receive an email with your account details, login information, and setup instructions. Now you'll need access to the Android phone where the app will be installed. Make sure the phone is unlocked and has enough battery power. Before installing the app, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Play Protect, and temporarily turn off the option that scans apps for security. Depending on the Android version, these settings may look slightly different. Next, you may also want to disable Play Store notifications during the installation process. You can do this by opening Settings, selecting Apps, choosing Google Play Store, opening Notifications, and switching them off. Now open the Chrome browser on the Android device and visit the download page provided in your mSpy account, or follow the installation link included in your confirmation email. Download the installer and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer and begin the setup. Android will ask for several permissions, including access to location, contacts, messages, phone activity, and other required features. Grant the permissions requested so the application can function correctly. When prompted, enter the registration or activation code from your mSpy account and continue through the setup wizard until the installation is complete. That's it. The installation process is finished. You can now sign into your mSpy dashboard from any web browser using your account credentials. The first synchronization may take a few minutes while the monitored device uploads its data, so don't worry if everything doesn't appear instantly. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the setup process. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.